الله
أشهد أن لا إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وأشهد أن
وأشهد أن
محمد رسول الله.
محمد رسول الله.
تكبير
Takbir.
Jadi kita bagikan nama dia iaitu Muhammad. Dia nak pilih nama Muhammad Abdullah.
Okay, I only speak in English. Okay, my name is Festus. My new name is Mohammed. Actually, I was born into a Christian home. My both parents are Christians. I came into this country 2 months ago. Yeah, and I have always wanted to look for a way to draw closer to God. Yesterday actually I was passing by and I saw people pray about this time yesterday. I wanted to come in, but I don't know what it takes. So I actually waited outside. The reason why I want to be Muslim is I think it's a more practical and logical religion to get closer to God. I've been a Christian all my life and I've tried to connect. It didn't happen. So I tried to read some Islamic stories on the internet and on books. And I think Islam is a logical and practical religion and it will lead me closer to God faster. That's why I decided to meet our brother, Mr. Ali, yesterday outside. And he promised to introduce me today to the Alpha. That's why I'm here today.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu
Assalamu
alaikum. Thank you.